So let's see how we can do all of that really quickly with the help of artificial intelligence, which will help us create unique product listings much quicker than we would if we were to do everything by ourselves. So I'm just going to copy the title and I'm going to tell ChatGPT, rewrite this product description. I always like to use bullet points and emojis, make it engaging, because I want my customers to actually like reading about my product and be interested in it, and generate an Etsy listing title up to 140 letters or characters. Okay, then I'm going to paste the product's title. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to copy also the description. So I'm going to copy that, paste it here. And now I gave ChatGPT all the product info and I asked it to rewrite it for me. So let's see what it's going to do in less than a second. So we already have a title, Sparkle and Shine, with 1,050 pieces, wholesale crystal, and we have some nice shining diamond emojis. And here we have the product description, which is being structurized for us and looks much, much better than what we're seeing right here, which is just some bullet lists and just a whole bunch of text crammed up together that I guarantee most of your buyers, most of your online shoppers are not going to read this. So now we're looking at a product description that looks this good. Let me just copy that, okay? And let me put it right here where it belongs and see how this looks much better than what we just had. Looking for the perfect beads to elevate your do-it-yourself jewelry game, look no further than these 6mm wholesale crystal glass beads. Here are some reasons why you'll love them. Then we've got the features in the bullet list, specifications structurized really nicely also in a bulleted list. Join the many satisfied customers who have saved money and found great products with the EEE kit. In this case, I would remove that. That's why it's good to go over your product descriptions and not just copy and paste everything, because that's the name of the seller. Order now and start creating beautiful sparkling jewelry today. And that's it. I'm just going to click on save just so that we can save this wonderful, wonderful description. Did we get a title? Yes, we did right up here. So let's also copy the title and paste it right here under the product column. We got 83 out of 140 characters filled in. We don't need to fill in the whole 140. You can add more things to the title if you want, but I'm going to keep it this simple. And as you can see, the product tags were automated for me. So later on, when I go to the product section of my store, I can filter to see only how the arts, crafts, and sewing tag went, for example, or beading and jewelry making. And this way I can categorize my products page and analyze each category or each tag specifically and see which one is working really well for my store. And besides that, we've got the shipping methods, the shipping policies, which I'm going to go over soon, the stock monitoring, price monitoring, automatic orders, which I'm going to leave on, and the variations. So here we've got 3 variations, 1,050 pieces, 1,200 pieces, and 401 pieces, all that come with their own prices. As we can see right here in the main listing, we've got these 3 variations, so they will all be imported to our store. And of course, we've got the products images. So all of this was automated for us 100%, didn't have to do anything except click those 2 buttons to import this product to my store. So now I'm just going to click on save and import, and this product will import to the product section of my store, meaning now it's going to go live and I'll also be able to see it on my Etsy store. And as we can see right here, the import process is complete. So the product was imported to my Etsy store. Let's go to Etsy and check it out. So here I am in the product section of my Etsy store. I'm going to click on refresh, and lo and behold, here we go. Sparkle and Shine. This is that jewelry bid kit that we just added to our stores. Okay, so here we can see the Etsy listing, and we can see that all the images uploaded automatically. If we had a video, of course, we can also add it here, and the listing details. So we've got the product's title right here. The category is under jewelry. We've got the craft type, so it's jewelry making. Everything here was automated. I didn't have to do anything. The renewal options, as we can see right here, is manually. So this one will expire on August 3rd. Today is April 3rd while I'm recording this video. So we've got 4 months ahead. August 3rd is when we'll have to manually re-upload this listing, or we can change it to automatic renewals. But this, of course, will do it automatically. So if we forget about it, we're going to get charged 20 cents for this listing. So for now, I'm going to keep it on manual. Then the type, is it a physical product? Is it a digital? Of course, it's a physical product. So again, everything is automated. And here is the product's description. So as you know, ChatGPT really helped us out, creating a very, very nice product description, absolutely unique, that no other seller has. And as I continue scrolling down, we can see all of the different variations right here. So the 3 variations, all of them got imported the right way. And I haven't touched the pricing yet, but I'll show you soon on AutoDS how you can set all of that. And of course, you can do it there and it'll update here automatically. And that's pretty much it. Besides, of course, the delivery policies, the shipping policies, the returns, and the item location, all of which you already configured in Etsy settings, but let me show you how to do that really quick. So now the product is live on our store. Anybody can purchase it.